a bit distracted. This is the axle. Did you guys fight? You're supposed to be right here with your wife. Here he comes. Alright, now it's time for them to head back home, okay? So they are very loyal to one another. So I am gonna put them on the stump over here. Now when one goes, the other will follow. Smart birds are now total toucans and one. Now what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. They do this in the wild for social communication. The yellow-named Amazon parrot is famous for its ability to mimic human sounds, and we have one such bird today, so everyone get your video cameras ready. Alright, and just get the microphone first. And just move him to the side. Right here. Okay. Alright, let's start off with something simple. Can you please say hello?
Hello.
Oh, nice to say hello. We're going to tell everyone what's your name?
Amigo.
Did you catch that? Let's say that one more time. What's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo is his name, okay? Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
How are you? So how are all everybody today? Good? That's nice to hear. Now Amigo here, he's a very smart bird. He can count 1 to 10 first in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. Hi. Okay. Calvin is totally brought out his sulfur crested cockatoo right here. Now he has a name, right? And his name is actually Big John. Okay, Big John here, he's a veteran of bird show and he is over 50 years old. Alright? Hi Big John, you want to say hello to everyone? Let's try again and say hello. Say hello. Hello. No? Okay, I don't think he's in the mood to say hello. Alright, then you just stay there, alright? We're gonna concentrate on Amigo. Now you're an Amigo count in English. It's time for him to count a different language, which will now be Chinese.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Now he's very good in Chinese. Hi there, Big John. I think he wants the attention now. Okay. You wanna say hello? Okay, how about you do the cough? Cough. Did you hear that? How about now you do the chicken? No? Okay, your laugh? Okay, now earlier when I said Big John is over 50 years old, right? Now throughout the years, he can only pick up 5 mimics, which is hello, cough, chicken, laugh, and bye-bye. And one thing about big parrots like Big John also, they like to scream their heads off. You heard how loud he can scream, he doesn't even need a microphone, okay? Those loud screams can actually disturb your sleep and even your neighbors. Alright, Big John? You just stay there quietly. We're gonna concentrate on Amigo, right? Okay, so Amigo can also sing, alright? He can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Do you want the attention? I give you the attention. Let's do the chicken. Laugh. Cough. Hello. See, when I put the microphone in front of him, he doesn't want to say anything. Okay, just shh. Alright, just remain quiet, Big John. Okay, we're gonna go back to you later, alright? Okay, so Amigo can sing, so we shall start off with the first song. The song entitled Current Life, which means a guest comes to visit. Okay, Amigo, let's sing for them in Mandarin.
Current life.
From Indonesia, titled Rasa Sayang, If I translate, it actually means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing for them. Rasa sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat Luna jauh, sayang, sayang.
Hey, I love this song there by Amigo. Alright, the last song is an English song, but before that, today, the 5th of January, anyone celebrating your birthdays today? Raise up your hands. Let's start from this section. Any birthdays? Alright, we have one right there. Okay, anyone else? Two, okay, pointing to someone. Two, three. Okay, so we have three this side. How about this side? Birthdays. 4, 5, 6, 7 up there. 8, 9, 10. Okay, how about this side? Birthdays 11, 12, 13. Alright, 14 okay out there. So we have 14 of you celebrating your birthday. Amigo here is going to sing a special song. Alright, Amigo, let's sing for them.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the 14 of you. Thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in Julong Park. Now, Amigo right here is one in a million, alright? It takes lots of time and commitment for him to do what he just did earlier. Now, can you imagine the disappointment of pet owners if they get a pet parrot like Big John, who is either very quiet or extremely loud, okay? Now, you know what? Both these birds have done a wonderful job this afternoon. It's time for them to head back home. So let's get Big John to say bye-bye. Big John, you want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. You don't want to say bye-bye, but Amigo, you want to say bye-bye to everyone? Let's say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.